As you all have observed, the verdict, since Rahul Gandhi wanted to raise his voice on the interest of the nation for truth, he has been given an unprecedented sentence by the judiciary. This is also a big conspiracy, a political conspiracy by the BJP leaders. They could not digest the strength of what the support base, what Rahul Gandhi is getting after Bharat Jodo Yatra. You may all recall, as far as Karnataka is concerned, he started his yatra for 21 days from Nanjangud to Ballari and Raichur. Wherever he has walked, wherever Rahul Gandhi has walked, we have won all the assembly segment. This is the big strength what Rahul Gandhi has contributed to this state. No doubt we have a very big number, but including the constituency where he did his Padayatra, our workers, gamblers, and the entire state party cadres have made use of this opportunity, and they were the part of this great movement in the history. So it is our bound duty to stand by him. All the opposition party leaders are also going to support this cause, and in the entire country they are supporting the disqualification, against the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi, and we want to strengthen his hand. What may come, he is giving his voice for this nation. His voice is not for himself. His voice for the nation, his voice for the justice. So we have organized a big protest. Protest means having a Mauna, what do you call it? Silent protest. Silent protest in the Freedom Park from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the evening. Though we have a session, I will be participating, and all the ministers and the MLAs, including the Chief Minister, will participate in this protest against giving strength to Rahul Gandhi. And I requested all the party cadres, all the frontal organizations, and all of them across the state to come and participate in this historic movement to support Shri Rahul Gandhi. So we have taken this decision. Entire country, in all the state headquarters, this program is being conducted. We will take it forward to strengthen it. Number two, on the opposition party leaders meeting will be conducted on 17th and 18th, as already declared by Sharad Pawarji. All the leaders are going to come. I am very confident. Srimati Sonia Gandhi also, since she is the chairperson. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has requested Srimati Sonia Gandhi to participate in this opposition party leaders meeting. We are going to welcome all the leaders of this nation